What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson and Lil Presley. Today we got an awesome recipe for you. It's called pan-fried salmon topped with creamy garlic butter sauce. Right now we're about to head to the grocery store and get some ingredients. So let's go. So what's up, guys? Welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm gonna have Presley in the kitchen with me. She's gonna be helping me out, cooking this awesome, delicious food. First, we're gonna season the fish, and then we're gonna make the sauce. Pan-fried salmon, super delicious, super fast, and easy. And then what's gonna go over it is the creamy garlic butter sauce. Very, very easy to make. So right now, let's get to cooking. Let's go.
Daddy?
Yeah.
This is a fun place. Right, Dad?
Oh, wow.
Happy animal.
Here we go. I'm trying the salmon, okay?
Hey, Presley.
Aubrey, you want some?
No.
Why not? Try some.
No, thanks.
Here. Hey, bad girl.